Modern command decisions are made in seconds. They must be faster, sovereign, and provable. Across the alliance, commanders face a converging picture: contested airspace, hybrid maritime threats, adversary AI, and information overload. NATO's Maven Smart system gives operators a digital backbone, but the decisions on top of it must be trusted, explainable, and post-quantum secure. This is SynapseCommand, a sovereign multi-agent decision superiority platform built by decent cybersecurity for NATO warfighters. 8 specialized agents, orchestrated in real time, a natural language commander interface, end-to-end cryptographic provenance, federated coalition operation, built on a deployed sovereign stack, already at technology readiness level 7 and above. SynapseCommand is structured as a 7-layer architecture, from sensors and sovereign data, through agent orchestration, evaluation, and provenance, up to the commander interface. 8 agents work in concert: red force behavior, blue force posture, ISR fusion, scenario synthesis, course of action analysis, targeting and engagement, operational planning, and lessons learned. Every layer is post-quantum encrypted. Every decision is auditable. Every model is attested. At 1422 Zulu, sensor radar Riga 02 detects a low RCS track 14 nautical miles northwest of Riga International Airport. SynapseCommand's ISR fusion agent correlates radar, AIS, and satellite imagery, and queries the DroneCrypt UTM registry. No civilian flight identity is on file. Confidence rises to 0.87. The track is reclassified as suspect. The targeting and engagement agent flags rules of engagement. Civilian airspace proximity, 8.2 nautical miles. Defensive ROE only. Engagement authority is resolved automatically against the active NATO clearance window. In parallel, the course of action engine runs 4,000 rollouts on the sovereign compute cluster and returns 3 ranked options in under 2 seconds. Electronic countermeasure, kinetic intercept by quick reaction alert, track and monitor, each scored on confidence, expected effect, and ROE compatibility. Every agent action is signed with post-quantum dilithium 3 and committed to the CyberFort blockchain provenance ledger. 4 immutable entries in this engagement alone, each linked to a model attestation from VerityGrid AI, our deployed test, evaluation, verification, and validation pipeline. The Red Force behavior agent updates adversary intent, probable ISR probe, prior 0.72. When the commander authorizes course of action 01, the decision itself is signed and ledgered. The action is then federated to the Allied node in Ireland over a Kyber 1024 post-quantum tunnel, without any raw data, leaving Slovak jurisdiction. Sovereign by construction. Interoperable by design. SynapseCommand integrates with Maven Smart System NATO through STANIG-aligned adapters and open APIs, extending MSS NATO with sovereign agent reasoning, post-quantum security, and end-to-end provenance. The orchestration you've just seen is delivered on a deployed sovereign stack. Synapse Mesh, Sovereign AI Operating System. VerityGrid AI, Operational TEVV Pipelines. CyberFort Blockchain, Post-Quantum Provenance Ledger. Cipher Layer and Quantum Proof Protocol, Fielded Post-Quantum Communications. All operational. All TRL 7 or higher. All NATO ready. Decent cybersecurity. NATO and EU secret cleared. NSPA, NCIA, and ESA registered. Over €48 million in active EU defense and post-quantum research. SynapseCommand, decision superiority that NATO commanders can trust.